How security systems integrators can help you achieve long-term business success. Are you doing enough to protect your business? Learn how security systems integrators can help you achieve long-term success and protect your reputation in today's ever-evolving security landscape. Security is a paramount concern for businesses of all sizes. Inadequate measures can lead to financial loss, theft, and damage to reputation. Organizations depend on security systems integrators to craft customized security plans who play a vital role in the process. Identifying vulnerabilities. If you're looking to create an airtight security plan, it's imperative to identify any weak spots in your current security measures. One way to do this is by enlisting the help of a security systems integrator to conduct a thorough evaluation of your business's access control systems, video surveillance systems, and other security measures. This will enable you to pinpoint any vulnerabilities and develop a comprehensive security strategy that will leave no room for uncertainty. A study by IBM Security revealed that the average cost of a data breach in India in 2020 was 14.8 Indian rupees crore, a significant financial loss for any business. Customizing security solutions. Every business has unique security needs, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach to security. A security systems integrator can help enterprises to customize security solutions to meet their specific needs. This may involve integrating different security technologies to create a comprehensive security system. A security systems integrator can help businesses choose the right technologies and ensure they work together seamlessly. Providing ongoing support. For businesses to safeguard against constantly evolving security threats, keeping pace with the latest security technologies and best practices is crucial. If companies want to make sure they are using the latest security technologies and strategies, it is recommended that they obtain continuous assistance from a security systems integrator. This includes providing regular system updates and maintenance, conducting employee training sessions, and monitoring security systems for potential threats. Reducing costs. Investing in comprehensive security solutions can be costly, but the cost of a security breach can be much higher. A security systems integrator can help businesses identify cost-saving opportunities by streamlining their security systems and reducing inefficiencies. A security systems integrator may recommend using a single platform to manage multiple security systems rather than relying on various platforms. This can reduce costs by simplifying the management process and reducing the need for multiple software licenses. Improving operational efficiency. Comprehensive security solutions can also improve operational efficiency by streamlining processes and reducing the risk of downtime. Businesses can manage employee access to different facility areas through access control systems, reducing the risk of unauthorized access and theft. Enterprises can also use video surveillance systems to identify potential security threats in real time and monitor their facilities. With centralized access control points, your business can reduce the time required to manage each resource individually and boost efficiency. Maintaining your reputation. A security breach can have a significant impact on a business's reputation. It can lead to negative publicity, damage customer trust, and result in a loss of business. A security systems integrator can help companies to identify potential security threats and implement preventive measures. This can help enterprises to avoid a security breach and protect their reputation. According to a survey by PwC, 69% of global executives believe cybersecurity incidents can negatively impact their organization's reputations. In what ways can MAPL assist your business in obtaining these advantages? With safety and security imperative for modern life, MAPL offers a spectrum of scalable and sustainable systems in security solutions for smart city surveillance. As the threats to the systems keep evolving with the growth and innovation, there is always an urgency for an updated security system. Millennium's trained professionals offer complete lifecycle assistance to reconstruct security solutions. Security systems have been the most crucial facet for protecting property, offices, and data and maintaining safety. We offer stringent surveillance technology in all shapes and sizes, depending on the client's requirement, with high resolution and cost-effectiveness. Our services are customized to suit the specifications of our clients and ensure that their business objectives and requirements are entirely supported by their security infrastructure and technology implementation. Contact us now to discover how we can customize a comprehensive security plan to meet your unique needs and protect your reputation in today's ever-evolving security landscape. Conclusion. In conclusion, security is essential for long-term business success. Security systems integrators help businesses identify vulnerabilities in their current security measures, customize their security solutions, and receive ongoing support to stay ahead of security threats. Additionally, comprehensive security solutions can reduce costs, improve operational efficiency, and protect a company's reputation.